What's up, YouTubers? PokeJediTrek's here. So, as you know, summer is fast approaching, and especially with Memorial Day being next Monday. Today's cooking video, I'm going to be showing you something that I think would be pretty unconventional for a Memorial Day barbecue, but it might work in the end. But as long as you make sure you have plenty of lemonade and stuff like that. But anyway, today's cooking video, I'm going to be showing you how to make frosted lemonade. So let's go over what we need. So you really need 3 ingredients for frosted lemonade. Is obviously you need ordinary lemonade, some lemon juice, and some vanilla ice cream. I made the lemonade in advance, by the way. If you ever want to go back to the cooking video when I showed you how to make lemonade in early March of 2022, feel free to check it out whenever you like. But anyway, let's get started. So first things, so what you're going to do is you're going to add 1.5 cups of your ice cream to the to a blender. So yeah, make sure you have a blender. So here's a quarter, here's half, 3/4, here's a whole, and here's 1 1/4, and here's 1 1/2. So now here's 3/4 cup of lemonade. That's the next ingredient that's to be added. And then you need half a tablespoon of lemon juice. And you're going to put the lid on this, and then you're going to blend until thoroughly mixed using this old blender. How about liquefy? Alright, so it appears to be well blended. Oh, another piece of advice about how I made this. This only serves one, so you'll have to double or triple your recipe accordingly, depending on how many people are going to be at how many people you intend to serve. This is a single serving only, so bear that in mind. Alright, so I'm going to sample. So here's the frosted lemonade I poured into a cup. I'm going to take a taste test. Wow, that is thick. Anyway, that's how to make frosted lemonade. And for those of you that thought this would be too complicated and too hard to make, you thought wrong. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. I hope to see you next time. What's up, YouTubers? PokeJediTrek's here. So it is almost Memorial Day, and today I'm going to be showing you a cooking video that Today's cooking video, I'm going to be showing you how to make frosted lemonade. And as you know, summer is fast approaching.